triple jump. Back on track now with the 100-meter hurdles for Class 1 girls. Two semi-finals, and the athletes are lined up in lane 2. That's Brittany Barron in 3. Gold medal favorite overall for the event, Tiana Marshall of Wolmer's Girls, the corporate area champion. One of the Carifta trials as well. 12.97 this season. Number 1 in the event. Joyanne Russell, ever improving Joyanne Russell from Immaculate. Of course, Russell got the bronze at the corporate championships. 14.47 for her then. Heidel's Alia Mullings will be lining up in 5. Brianna Davidson of San Diego was second in the Central Championships. And this is, it's on screen there now. This is Brittany Barron. Up next is Tiana Marshall, 12.97, the season leader. Middle favorite winner in classes 4 and 3 and 2. So looking to complete that set. On screen now, Joyanne Russell. Second at the corporate championship, well, third at the corporate championships. 14.47 at her best this season. This is Heidel's Alia Mullings. Looking to get into this final. On screen there, that's Brianna Davidson. Sturdy competitor. Second at the Central Championships. Fourth on the season list this year. Up next from Veer Technical, this is Brenna Sawyers Cross, ended 4th at the Central Championships. And this is Ariana Monroe from Marymount High, 4th at the Eastern Championships. 3 sure to go through from each semi-final heat, and then the next 2 best times. Center their blocks. Once again, Baron of Edwin Allen in 2, Marshall of Wolmer's in 3, Russell of Immaculate in 4, Mullings of Heidel in 5, Davidson, San Diego 6, Sawyers Cross, Vertex 7, and Monroe, Marymount High in lane 8. Marshall in 3, season leader, carrying the hopes of Wolmer's Girls. And the sent off first time of asking. Marshall attacks that first hurdle as expected. And moving away from this field immediately is Tiana Marshall. What an impressive run here from Tiana Marshall. And on the outside from that's San Diego is Davidson. And coming through from Heidel is Mullings. So 12.93 for Tiana Marshall. Wait to see if that's a personal best for her. And it is a personal best for Tiana Marshall. And how happy she is, and it's a new record for the event here at Champs as well. Tiana Marshall, 12.98 is the